You may be dismantling your reputation day by day, quietly, invisibly, without ever noticing, not through scandals or dramatic failures, but through small habits that feel harmless, almost natural, habits you repeat automatically, habits that slowly corrode how others see you, how seriously they take you, and how much weight your presence carries in a room. And here's the unsettling truth. While you remain unaware, the damage keeps compounding in your career, your relationships, and your sense of self. In today's reflection, we will uncover 4 subtle but toxic habits that silently sabotage your image. These behaviors don't announce themselves. They hide behind routine, personality, and social norms. Yet they are powerful enough to strip away respect, trust, and influence over time. If you want to be taken seriously, if you want your words to matter, and if you want to be remembered for the right reasons, you must first learn to recognize and then eliminate each one of them. Before we begin, allow me a moment of gratitude. This channel exists because of you. Every thoughtful comment, every shared video, every quiet moment where you choose reflection over distraction gives purpose to this work. Watching this community grow in awareness, discipline, and inner strength is what fuels Stoic Sage Academy to continue creating with intention and depth. For walking this path of self-knowledge and daily evolution together, thank you, truly. Now take a breath. Set distractions aside. What follows may challenge you, but within that discomfort lies freedom. Respect rarely disappears overnight. It fades slowly, almost politely. It erodes through repeated actions, unexamined habits, and moments where we choose convenience over character. Over time, these moments accumulate a silent cost. And if there is one philosophy uniquely suited to exposing these patterns, it is Stoicism. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." The message is simple and uncompromising. Stop performing virtue, start embodying it. Seneca echoed this idea when he taught that true wisdom begins with honest self-observation. That is our task today, to look inward without masks, without excuses, and without self-deception. We will examine 4 corrosive habits that appear small on the surface, yet possess immense power to weaken your image, and even worse, your self-respect. This is not about judging yourself. It is about seeing clearly, because clarity is the first step toward change. Habit 1. Gossip, the quiet corrosion of character. The first habit is one of the most common and most underestimated: gossip. It often disguises itself as casual conversation, a way to bond, a way to pass time, a harmless exchange of stories. But beneath its friendly surface lies a destructive truth. When you gossip, even lightly, you send an unspoken message: I cannot be trusted. You reveal that you trade in the private lives of others, that you consume failure for entertainment, and people notice far more than you think. They may smile, they may nod, but inwardly they begin to calculate. If this person speaks this way about others, what do they say about me? The Stoics were unequivocal on this matter. Epictetus warned that repeating what does not concern you is a form of self-degradation. Gossip shrinks your character. It pulls your attention outward instead of upward, and each time you participate, you chip away at your credibility. Respect grows when you refuse to pass along what does not elevate. Choose conversations that sharpen ideas, not those that dissect people. Choose to speak in ways that strengthen trust, even when silence would be easier. As wisdom reminds us, small minds focus on people, average minds on events, but disciplined minds on ideas. Decide daily which mind you will cultivate. Habit 2. Unreliability. When words lose their weight. Few things destroy respect faster than unreliability. Not incompetence, not lack of talent, but inconsistency between what you say and what you do. In a world saturated with promises, reliability has become rare and therefore powerful. Every broken commitment, every unreturned message, every casual excuse weakens the value of your word. And when your word loses value, so do you. The Stoics understood this deeply. Seneca taught that integrity is revealed not through grand declarations, but through consistency in small actions. Reliability is not about perfection. It is about honesty, arriving when you say you will, communicating when you cannot, setting boundaries you can uphold, saying no when necessary, instead of offering promises you cannot keep. In professional life, unreliability quietly closes doors. You may be intelligent, creative, even charismatic, but without trust, you will never be entrusted with what truly matters. Respect is built when others know that your word is solid ground, and that ground is formed one fulfilled commitment at a time. Habit 3. Interrupting when ego drowns out presence. Sometimes respect erodes not through what we do, but how we listen or fail to listen. Interrupting others may seem minor, even enthusiastic, but repeated over time, it sends a clear signal. My thoughts matter more than yours. This habit often comes from restlessness, insecurity, or the need to prove oneself. But regardless of intent, the impact is the same. It fractures connection, it diminishes trust, and it reveals impatience disguised as confidence. Epictetus reminded us that nature gave us 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. Listening is not passive. It is an act of discipline, a demonstration of humility. When you interrupt less, you understand more. When you listen fully, others feel seen, and people respect those who make them feel seen. Practice intentional silence. Let others finish. Ask yourself whether what you want to say truly needs to be said now or at all. Over time, this restraint reshapes how people experience your presence. You become calmer, grounded, someone whose words carry weight because they are not rushed into the air. Habit 4. Chronic complaining. When negativity becomes a signature. Complaining is socially accepted, even encouraged. It feels like release. But when it becomes habitual, it transforms from expression into identity. Chronic complaining drains not only you, but everyone around you. The Stoics drew a clear line here. Do not argue with reality. Work with what is within your control. Accept what is not. Complaining without action is surrender disguised as protest. It keeps you trapped in victimhood, handing over your power piece by piece. A disciplined mind asks better questions. Can I change this? If yes, act. If not, accept. This shift changes everything. You become lighter, clearer, more resilient, and people sense it. Respect naturally gravitates toward those who respond to life with steadiness instead of resistance. Your mind is a lens. Train it to seek solutions, and the world becomes navigable. Feed it constant grievance, and everything feels hostile. The energy you carry shapes the respect you receive. If you've stayed until this moment, understand what that means. You are willing to confront yourself, and that is rare, because earning the respect of others always begins with a deeper task, respecting yourself. Today, we uncovered 4 habits that quietly sabotage your image. Gossip erodes trust. Unreliability weakens your word. Interrupting reveals unchecked ego. Chronic complaining repels connection and drains vitality. None of these habits define you, but each one shapes how the world responds to you. The good news is this: every habit can be replaced. With discipline, with awareness, with Stoic practice applied daily, not admired from afar. Marcus Aurelius reminded us that the strongest response is not retaliation, but character. To be unlike the careless majority, to become someone who embodies steadiness, presence, and integrity. Take one step, one habit, one deliberate correction at a time, and watch how subtly but powerfully respect begins to return. Now reflect honestly. Which of these habits do you recognize most in yourself? Leave the phrase, "I choose to be worthy of respect," in the comments and name the habit you are ready to transform. This act of declaration strengthens not only your resolve, but the community we are building here at Stoic Sage Academy.
If this reflection brought clarity, share it with someone who needs it. Support the channel, and remember, philosophy here is not theory, it is practice, lived daily. Until next time, remember this: you are responsible for the energy you bring into the world. Bring what strengthens, leave behind what weakens.